Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meat pie Zeelicious step by step. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees C and chill your pastry while you dice onions and carrots. Brown the meat in a hot pan and season confidently with salt, pepper, and a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Add vegetables, simmer briefly, and thicken with a little flour or stock. Cool the filling before assembling to prevent a soggy bottom. Layer flavors by browning meat thoroughly, and then deglazing the pan with stock to lift those caramelized bits into the filling. Add diced vegetables and simmer until tender, then stir in a spoon of flour or a slurry to reach a spreadable consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning, remembering that the final bake concentrates flavors. Let the mixture cool slightly so the pastry stays crisp when you assemble and bake the pie. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet like you treat your pie. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts, and you'll thank me later. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax for a moment, and now let's get back to the video. Roll your pastry to an even thickness and gently line your pie tin, trimming excess. Spoon the cooled filling in without overpacking, then cover with the top crust and crimp the edges securely. Cut steam vents to allow moisture to escape and brush the surface with an egg wash for a glossy finish. Bake until golden and bubbling, then rest the pie briefly so slices hold together and the flavors settle for serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.